Hi, I'm Antigone. I'm the owner of Studio Labou, which is a small ceramic studio in Seychelles. I started in 2023 and I make mostly homeware, so plates and incense holders and beautiful little cups that are inspired by the nature of our islands, the sea, and just all the plants. And I studied product and furniture design at uni, and that was my first introduction to ceramics. My first project was actually a hedgehog house for a conservation project, and I graduated in 2015, so a long time ago now. And since then, I've been working on more artisanal pottery, learning how to throw on the wheel and do hand building, and that's what I do now in my studio. I'm also offering classes so that hopefully we can spread pottery a bit more around the island and more people can learn how to work with clay and just develop new artistic skills in Seychelles. Doing pottery, I'm also a yoga teacher and host moon circles for women. So I hope to bring the two of them together and really show the therapeutic and meditative benefits of working with clay to offer kind of a spiritual experience of pottery. And I've been really lucky setting up Labou. I've had a lot of support from different agencies and the community, so I would really encourage anyone to follow their passions and just trust that if you're passionate about something, it will work out and you're always supported by the universe.